Hello viewers, I'm Advocate K.R. Rawat from Lexis & Company. Today we're going to talk about Order 21 execution. So, execution is the last stage of any civil litigation. There are three stages in litigation. First one is institution of litigation, then adjudication of litigation, then last one is implementation of litigation. Implementation of litigation is also known as execution. A decree will come into existence where the civil litigation has been instituted with the pursuant of the plaintiff. The decree means operation or conclusiveness of judgment. Implementation of a decree will be done only when the parties have filed an application in that regard. A decree or order will be executed by the court as facilitates and obligations. If a party is not approaching the court, then the court has no obligation to implement it suo motu. A decree will be executed by the court which has passed a judgment. In an exceptional circumstances, the judgment will be passed or implemented by another court which is having the competency in that regard. Execution is the medium by which a decree holder compels the judgment debtor to carry out the mandate of a decree or order as the case may be. It enables the decree holder to recover the fruit of the judgment. Execution. The term execution has not been defined in the code. The expression execution means enforcement or implementation of or getting an effect of the order or judgment passed by the court of justice. Simply, execution means the process of enforcing or giving effect to the judgment of the court. Now, execution is the enforcement of decrees offered by the orders by the process of the court so as to enable the decree holder to realize the fruits of the decree. Until the decree is executed, the decree holder cannot utilize the fruits of the decree. So execution is an important part. The execution is complete with the judgment creditor or decree holder gets money or other thing awarded to him by the judgment decree or decree holder. So this is a little brief about the Order 21 execution. I'll continue with the same in my next video. I hope you like my video. Still you have any doubt regarding this much of video under Order 21 CPC, do let me know in the comment section. I'll clear all your doubts regarding execution. I'll give you a brief of the executions like the arrest with detention, arrest without detention, all those sort of concepts. I'll discuss it in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself. I'll see you guys super soon in my next video with some other topic.